Hello everyone, this is King Kong IoT. This video I will show you this device, the H32B relay controller and the switch terminal board work with the Home Assistant. Because we have released the firmware support the MQTT for the Ethernet and for the Wi-Fi. So I take this video to show you how Home Assistant works with this device. This is our Home Assistant window. I think you can download this newest firmware. This we have added the all on and all off button for the Home Assistant by MQTT for Ethernet. Just like this button can be used in Ethernet mode. And you can make sure this version 4.24, this version can be used and you download from our form. And now you can see when I turn on this all on. This is all is on. And this 32 relay is become on, and also I can turn off or off. Okay, you can see this is controlled by Home Assistant, all on and all off. And also we can, this is a mobile phone application for us, Home Assistant. We can turn on relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, and you can see the state is update and with the PC software. And this is relay. And turn off. And we can also use the switch panel like relay 1, turn on relay 2, relay 2, relay 2, and relay 3. You can see relay 3 on, and relay 4. And all on. When I press all on, and you can see mobile phone and the PC software, all the relay become on. And when I press the key or off, you can see or off. Then the PC software and the mobile phone will be all off. So you update the state. And also we can use the remote, wireless remote, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until 32. And also we can use this to turn all off. Okay, this is for the remote, for switch panel and the Home Assistant, and also you can use our keybox application to control the relay. So many ways. I think if you want to work with the Home Assistant, want to choose a relay controller, this is the best way and the good solution for you. And also this switch panel is dry contact, so it's commonly used, and if it is broken, you can easily find a replaced one to replace this panel. Okay, thanks for watching.